You said it was due to stylistic differences from the previous firm. What did you feel like in the last firm was missing that you guys wanted to do differently?
Our last company that we were partnered with really wasn't built on the back of being the best property manager you could be or offering the best service or what your clients need. It was kind of designed with one level of service in mind, and that's what we were going to provide to the property owners, which, I'm probably telling you things you already know, but every property owner is different, right? We've got some sweet little ladies who live on the money and every dollar really matters. And
Yeah.
I've got other owners who spend, a year and a half on their sailboat. We manage their 80 doors. We don't talk to them ever. They're just not worried about what happens. So every property has to be managed a little bit differently. And I think that's something that really sets us apart, and something that we wanted to provide is, we really want to get to know the property owners, their goals, what they're trying to do, and then help and achieve that, which, as I mentioned, you have to manage every property differently to get that done.